So it was requested that I do a quick uh, workshop tour video, I guess. I believe it was Phonotical asked, so I figure I'll just do a quick explanation of my little workspace here. So there's a bunch of drawers where I keep some components and some stuff down here that I need to sort. Uh, there's my desk where I do my recording, which is currently a disaster because I've been working on a lot of stuff in parallel, so everything's just kind of all over the place. Right now I'm just trying to troubleshoot some weirdness with my supercapacitor boards there. Here's my microphone. This is why every time I touch my desk it makes a booming noise, because it sits right there on the table, but hopefully I'll be fixing that in the future. This is the actual setup for my recording, little PVC pipe frame. This is the iRig Pre that I use to turn XLR into 3.5 millimeter jack, which goes into the side of the camera here. I use a Nikon D5300 for my recording. A couple of high CRI LEDs here with a diffusion panel from a fluorescent lamp, power supply and stuff. I'm experimenting with using egg crates for echo dampening, but I don't have enough to actually really be effective. Yeah, there's the solar panels that I've been using for testing the proof of concept for the solar charged board. A bunch of little random bits and bobs. Yeah, so that's pretty much my workshop. Drawers for stuff. Still haven't sorted everything into here, but that's what it looks like behind the scenes.